Hello guys, this is Elric IT. Welcome to today's video in which I'll show you how to create directories and also how to delete them. Also we'll see how to move files between directories and how to remove also those files. Let's start by typing ls to see what's in the current directory. We can see there's nothing. So let's create the first directory, which is mkdir, and then the name of the directory we want to create. In this case I will be using like test1 for the first directory. Let's see if it created. Let's create a couple more, mkdir, test2 and test3. So we now see that there are 3 directories inside the current one. So if we want to move test2 and test3 directories inside test1, we can do it by typing the command mv and then each of the directories. In this case I'll be typing the test2 directory and where I want to move this file to, in this case to test1 directory. I'll do the same for the test3, and now we can see that in the current directory we only have test1 because we moved the other 2 directories inside the test1 directory. So let's go inside this one to see what's inside. Test1 ls. So now we can see that there are the 2 other directories that I created inside the test1. Let's create a couple of files to also move them inside the test3 directory. Let's type touch 1.txt and 2.txt. 2 simple files, nothing inside them, just the file. So let's move those files inside test3 directory. And also 2. We can see there's the files are no longer here. Let's go inside test3 directory. So as we can see, creating directories and files, it's very simple. We can do it just by typing one single command. But if we want to remove both files and directories, we have to type the rm command and then the name of the file in this case, which is 1.txt and 2.txt. Let's see that the files are no longer here. Let's go back to the directory test1 to see that we have the 2 other directories that we created, and let's remove them by typing the command rmdir to remove directories and then the name of the directory we want to remove, test2 and test3. We can see that no longer the 2 directories created are here, so let's go back to the home folder, which is here, and we can see the test1 directory, which is the last one, and we're going to remove it also. So guys, as you can see, it is pretty easy to create directories and files, and also to move files between each of them and to remove them as well. So if you like the video, feel free to subscribe and like it, and you can also post for more content or in any other topic. Bye bye.